A real snowy setting here on the urban trail. Just a beautiful morning. Looking back, getting ready to climb up. Well, for my friends from Phoenix, those of you that come up for the half marathon, this is about mile 11 on the return. That's the tank before you hit the urban trail. Snowing pretty heavily. It'll look a little different in August, but you can see. This is heading back towards town, pretty much a whiteout. And then as we swing back and look down the road, that's where I'm heading, out towards the meadow. We'll see if I make it. Well, here we are at Junction Aid Station. Looks quite a bit different. This is the aid station where we usually have our M&Ms and porta potty. The runners hit it twice. It's sort of a nice spot to hit on the way home. So, I don't think I'm going to make it out to the meadow. My hands are getting pretty cold. I think I'll just follow those tracks and that little rail light back into town. Whew, great day. All right, what a beautiful snow.